Hello, this is PEC, popularly known as Prodigy Exclusive Company. We bring to you our 500 watts capacity solar generator, which we recently installed at Onosa, Ibeju, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. We have other capacity ranging from 150 to 3500 watts capacity solar generator. We do payment on delivery within Lagos. Outside states attracts more logistic and installation fee. The system powers all the basic appliances in your home, office and workshop. The system powers TV, lighting, fan, low energy consumption fan, home theater, PS3, PS4 game, charging of phone and laptop, other low energy consumption appliances. Kindly send us DM for more inquiry. We are always available to attend to your questions and